Hey guys, Tom here. I am so sorry that I've been leaving you guys in the dark with the fan content. I apologize about that. I've just been really busy and really haven't, put the time aside to make some fan videos. But here is this little ceiling fan that I've got. I don't know if some of y'all remember, but I used to have a 52-inch Hunter Oakhurst Hugger that had bearing issues, and then I got a 62-inch Harbor Breeze Cooperstown, and that was ridiculously big for like the size of like this space. Like it's this room is not very big, but I thought that was way too big of a fan. So I got this little 30-inch from a friend of mine. She bought it for me. I believe it's from Walmart. It's a Better Homes and Gardens 30-inch ceiling fan. And what's interesting is this one is a spinner, which is not very common these days. But it moves a really good amount of air. It's fairly quiet. It doesn't have any like vibrations or imbalance issues. It came with a balancing kit, which was interesting. But I didn't really need to use it because it doesn't have any balance issues on the box, which is nice. Come over here, I do have this on a dimmer for the light, not the fan. So nice. I just wanted to be able to control the amount of light. So if I'm getting ready for bed, I can like dim it and not have like blinding lights. There's two 60-watt candelabra bulbs in that light kit. And there's a nice frosted glass shade. And it's a pretty bright light kit. I do like the look of it. Almost reminds me of like a industrial ceiling fan. I have a Hunter Industrial in my closet that I haven't gotten around to filming or anything or putting up because I really don't I don't have the headroom for that. But it's on a 3-speed pull chain right here. Comes with these little, I might turn the light on. There it goes. These little fan and light pull chains, so you know what is what. And then there's also a reverse switch. And it starts with high, so here's high. And it blows a pretty good amount of air. But I feel like high and medium are really good for white noise. Here's the medium. You still get that noise of the blades for that white noise. Like I can't sleep without noise personally. I have to have a fan or the radio or the TV on low volume or something like that. I can't sleep when it's dead silent. Still moving good air. And low. And low is silent. That noise you hear in the background is my computer. Doesn't move all that much air, but you can still feel a slight breeze. These blades are also reversible. You have like a cherry finish on one side and weathered wood on the other side. Since I had weathered wood on the last fan, I decided to go with the cherry. And it looks pretty nice. You can also turn the light off like that. Bearings on this fan are pretty good. The spin down time is not really all that long. But as you can see over there, the blades match my clock on the wall over there, which is pretty nice. I'll turn the light on so you can see. And there you have it. There is my 30-inch Better Homes and Garden ceiling fan. It's a great fan for smaller rooms, and I'm really happy with it so far. Thanks so much, and that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.